fans of the blue ones. Delicious, juicy, satisfying. Wash the breast, dry it, and cut out the fillets. Cut into small stops. Chop the onion and herbs, add the nuts and chop with a knife on a board. Squeeze the juice from the orange. Add onion mixture, sour cream, juice, mustard, salt, pepper to the minced meat. Mix well and refrigerate to marinate. Wash the eggplant and cut it lengthwise. Carefully remove the pulp, chop, add salt, and leave for 20 minutes. Add salt to the eggplant boats and leave for 20 minutes. Chop the tomatoes. Wash and dry the boats. To remove moisture from the pulp, simply squeeze it out. Combine the eggplant and tomatoes with minced meat, fill the boats and bake in a preheated oven to 180 grams, 40 to 45 minutes. At the end of baking, you can sprinkle with grated cheese and let it brown. Very tasty. Enjoy your meal.